Mono Soilenda EDC constituency no tui one day convention panda khlaika Mono town hall logo anumanjaka TWF Central Committee ni GS Mary Deborma Central Committee ni member Sharmila Deborma Mono Soilenda TWF President Surupini Koloino khobui tei kubuni akuchok Panda baithago Central TWF GS Mary Deborma koktuma thubai rogni bwskango sawi khanarka Final buskang EDC Chongmari Mono Soilenda constituency ti Pramotani yago nahanai hanai khanai nadi sini maplewo
Madam sini utama nahar unnoti lo poksabe
Sara Tripura Raijago jong Tripura Women's Federation ningoi joto jagao no sini central team samon khlai tongo abone bisingo tini jong Mono Soilenda EDC constituency khapjak jong tini oro Mono town holo kaisa শুধু TWF no tuyoi buri rok no tuyoi kaisa jong one day convention khlaijakha ani logeo tongo ani central team mokdongi darlong didi tai tongo chini central ni Sharmila Deborma Brikhoboti Riang tai oroni Mono Soilenda ni no block president TWF ni chini borom gunangju Surupini Koloi bobotongo tai joto block primary level hoite regional level hoite block district central ni bebak no o je Mono Soilenda o khobjak joto buri rok no tui chungtini kaisa oro convention khaika buri rok ni kokchak mani panda kaisa khlai lekha belai khano peacefully chung program khaimangkha belai khano khas rango tongthogo tan bagai hinba chini bwskangni nahar mungno naharui chini chongmari tongo bwskango EDC hapango chini je election thangnani nai tongo abono tui layo na tin chini oro kokchak panda tai logeo bisi election bo khlaijaknai abor no tui layo chung tin oro kok salaijakha belai khano peacefully chung program khlai mankha belai khano khas rangka tongthoka Mono Soilenda chung ti pramothano win ungnai bwskangni salo tini chini of fan chung nugoi mankha asukna hanba
ini buskang edisi chongmari tai bisi yago krika like na jora to nor yago nar panaya taklo bisi bahino chongmari bahino buthak than bo phai ni thaklai nor yago nar thar jabana
abono kaisa chini saklainani muchungmani amuse Bidhan Sabha bo election hungo Bidhan Sabha wise election already ngai paikha Tristor Panchayat ni already election ngai paikha MP seat ni election already ngai paikha fiaba chini village counciling go chung election khlailai malaya chung abono nugoi manu aboni bagino je 2016 o last chini oro je bisi election khlaimani aboni yakno tabu BJP সরকার ফাইমানি 2018 ni simi tabo 26 khlaikha engai 7 বছর 8 বছর chung khlai tong fiaba chini jodino bisi election EDC ni je bisi area no development khainang thangkai chung election ma khayo election khayang thai chung abo chini area o chung development na hare menya buini jodino development tongkhai general area jodino GP area Tristor Panchayat jodi development noi tongkhai chung bisi area ni borokam aparat khlayo chini oro bisi election nong yang tong aboni bagaino chung tini kokchap layo ar bwskangni salo chung bisi election bo khlainai EDC election bo khlainai abono chini tini ni program abono naharino chung buri rokno grassroots level ni simi saka level jora tui chung krak khlai khanani bagino tini chini